Hey, we're back with recorder methods. And did you have fun blowing bubbles? I bet you did. It's always fun, doesn't matter how old you are. So now we've already got the bubbles down and it's time to bring our recorder into play. Now, when you open up your recorder case probably comes with a piece of paper that has a fingering chart on it, and then it also probably comes with a cleaning rod and the recorder. If your recorder is like mine, which it should be, then, because most of us have supplies from the same place, if your recorder is like mine, then it comes into two pieces, just like this. If you twist and pull, you'll notice I twisted and pulled to bring it down. This piece is called the mouthpiece because this is the piece that your mouth goes on. So when you are playing this, the window square right here, that goes in the front away from you, and the curved part curves down over your bottom lip. You can get a sound just from playing on this. It's not a very pretty sound, but it's a sound. So that piece faces this direction. You don't put your teeth on the recorder when you play it, just your lips. Now, when you put them together, you're going to take this side that has all of those long line of holes, and that pretty much lines up with the window hole here. So I'm going to line it up and twist to push to get it on. Sometimes they're easier to get on. If it doesn't go on really quickly, you can get some what's called cork grease and put that on there. All right, so now you have your recorder put together. There is one hole in the back, and then you have 7 holes in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know you're going to say there's 9 because this one has 2 and that one has 2. We'll talk about that in a later lesson. For right now, we're counting 7 holes because those count as one apiece. All right, so you have your recorder, and the way you hold your recorder is with your left hand on the top. So if you have your recorder and it's all put together correctly, then hold it in your right hand and give me a thumbs up with your left hand. And then take your left hand thumb and stick it over that hole in the back. That is where your left hand thumb goes. It never, ever, ever comes off of that back hole until you get a lot of lessons down the road. Your pointer finger on your left hand goes over the top hole in the long line of finger holes. When you have those 2 fingers on there, then you have the note B. So now we can take our recorders, put them into our mouth, and remember, it's a recorder. So when you look at it sideways, it goes this way. Trumpets like this, flutes like this, recorders like this. All right? Lots of times I have students who hold their recorders straight out. And when you hold it straight out, then it's much, much more likely to squeak and make a bad sound. We don't want that. So when you are playing your recorder, you want to hold it down. Now, when I have those students who hold it straight out, and I say, hold your recorder down, it doesn't go like this. Many times students go like this. That doesn't help anything. You want to change this angle from your mouth to the recorder so that it is a down angle. If it goes straight out, the air is going to come straight across here and it's not going to sound right. So I'm going to hold your recorder down and blow. And remember your big bubble air, right? Blow gently and soft. And that's the sound we're going for. So that is a B. You've now learned how to play B. All right, good job.